Hi, this is James with Super Bright LEDs, and today we're going to talk about these Fastlock wiretap connectors and how to easily connect your landscape lights. Wiretap connectors allow you to connect wires without any crimping or splicing. These connectors are compatible with 12 and 14 gauge power wire and light fixtures from 14 to 20 gauge wire. They're rated IP65 waterproof, and since each light requires 2 connectors, they're sold in 2 packs, 12 packs, and 20 packs. To install the connectors, first separate the power cord. Next, unscrew the caps on the connector. Place the power wire into the large cap. Thread the pin onto the cap so that it pierces the power wire. On your light fixture, pass the stripped light cord through the small cap and push the wire into the connector. Then thread the small cap on and tighten. To ensure a good connection, gently pull on the wires, making sure they don't come loose. Repeat this process for the other wire. Then power on your lights to confirm your connections. After that, you're ready to install your lights and hide all your wires. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to check out superbrightleds.com for all of your lighting needs.